For the O-level commerce students, if not business and accounting study students, let me give you a small learning, understanding about the basic accounting equation. So let me take a small example. We'll assume I am going to start a business. Okay. In order for me to start the business, I need a machine. We'll assume my business may be cutting the wood. So in order to cut the wood, I need a machine. So what I am doing, I am spending some money for the business. I am bringing that machine. We'll assume that machine is this. This is that particular machine. The value of this machine, I am telling 500,000. Value of the machine is 500,000. So I am bringing this machine to the business. So business is getting an asset. So what is the asset that business is getting? The machine. The value of the machine is how much? 500,000. So the business is getting an asset which has a value of 500,000. And who is bringing this asset? As the owner, I am bringing the asset. So whatever the amounts or the portion which is there for the owner, it will be there under the equity. Whatever the owner's portion of the business will be there under the equity. So we know when we are doing the accounts, normally business and owner are two different parties. Okay. So for the business, I gave the asset. Who gave the asset? I gave the asset. So my portion in that particular business is how much is that? 500,000. Okay. So this is the very basic accounting equation. So we will be starting with assets equals equity. Assets equals equity. Now let me take one more adjustment. Now what I am doing? I am going to buy another machine. This machine is not enough for me. I need another machine. So that machine value also, this is the second machine. That machine value also 500,000. Now this machine I bought it using my own money. But to buy this machine, this time I don't have money. I have only, will assume to buy this machine, I can contribute as the owner, I can contribute only 300,000. This is the owner's contribution. Owner's contribution is how much? 300,000. So 200,000 is missing to buy this asset. Then what I will do? I will go and take a bank loan. So I am taking a bank loan of 200,000. So this is a bank loan. So bank loan, it is an obligation for me. In someday in the future, I will have to settle that bank loan. So those obligations are liabilities. Liabilities. I will have to settle that 200,000 in the future. Now you see, I am bringing this particular machine also. So already I have a machine for 500,000. I am bringing another machine which is having a value of another 500,000. So now in the business in total, how much worth assets are there? 1 million worth assets are there. Now what you have to understand, my dear students, in order to buy the first machine, I gave 500,000. In order to buy the first machine, I gave 500,000. My money 500,000. And to buy the second machine, as the owner, I gave only 300,000. So my portion is how much? My portion is how much? For the machine number 1, 500,000. For the machine number 2, 300,000. My portion is 800,000. So I told you my portion, we will take it under the equity. Owner's portion, we will call it as equity. Okay. So this is the amount of the assets which is there in the business. Now what you have to understand, for this particular business, there is a bank loan to settle, because to buy this second machine, I gave 300,000. From the bank, business took a loan of 200,000. So the business should settle that loan. 200,000 loan is there. So what you have to understand, okay, first asset complete money is given by me. For the second asset, one portion is given by me, another portion is given by the bank. 200,000 is given by the bank, this 200,000. So this 200,000 is a liability. This 200,000 is a liability. Now based on this we can construct our next accounting equation. You can see over here, assets equals equity plus liability. Here see, assets equals 1 million worth assets are there. Out of that, how much is my portion? I contributed 800,000 from the bank loan, 200,000. So what is the second basic accounting equation that you should know? Asset equals equity plus liability. Simple as that. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to watch something similar, these kind of videos in the future, please make sure to subscribe my channel. And if you want the knowledge of what is this accounting, the definition of the accounting, I have done a video for that one as well. So it will appear somewhere over here. You can click and watch that video as well.